Stan closes his eyes and carefully recognizes the sound of the dice clashing through his ears. Then he smiled slightly and threw a $10 chip onto the big point. The dealer saw that so many people were betting on the big one. He kicked the switch at his feet and magnetically changed the face of one of the dice. However, this small sound could not escape Jack's ears, so before the dealer rang the bell, he pressed his remaining $10 chips into the 3 4s at 150 times the odds, and when the dealer opened the sieve, the dice were exactly what he had heard. In just 2 minutes, Jack won $1,500 in just 2 minutes with a $20 chip. Then he went to the blackjack table, where the stakes were even higher. He bet the entire $1,500 on the draw. David, the owner of the casino, gave the dealer a wink. He instructed him to deal the cards to Jack first. However, Jack seemed to expect the casino to monitor his cards, so he showed one of his cards, Q, and then he stacked the 2 cards on top of each other. Then he carefully rolled the other card, showing a small edge of the numbers. Sure enough, when the surveillance cameras caught Jack's hand, they immediately analyzed it. The computer analyzed 55% of the cards as 2, 38% as Q, and 7% as 9. The dealer took a look at the dealer's cards after receiving the situation, and then to make sure it was bigger than Jack's hand, he turned the dealer's 3 of diamonds into a 9 of clubs. Unbeknownst to him, Jack's other card was also a 9. According to the rules of blackjack, JQK is all 10s. Both players have 19 points, so it's a draw. As a result, Jack won the most money at the whole table. In just half an hour, he made $5 million. Then he followed up his victory by placing 5 million chips on the draw. Then he did the same thing again, only showing a sharp corner. The system analyzed it again. There's a 78% chance that Jack's other card is an ace. Combined with the 8 of hearts he had already shown, the points of the 2 cards in Jack's hand would not be more than 10 points. David immediately ordered the dealer to deal a 16-point hand to the dealer. Jack was overjoyed because he did not have an ace in his hand, but a pair of 8s, just like the dealer, also 16 points. It turns out that Jack had already figured out David's joker's trick, so he hid a piece of dental floss in the middle of the card before reading the cards. Then he used the dental floss to fool the surveillance. Jack was about to win $25 million in an hour. David was furious. He arranged for a one-eyed man with special powers to deal with Jack. He thought he could bankrupt Jack. He didn't realize that Jack's friend, Star, also had supernatural powers, so a bloody gambling game began.